There we go.
Please be aware, there's smoke in the kitchen.
Hello, I'm going to show you how to diffuse your hair. What is this strange contraption? It looks like some UFO with claws in it that are about to beam down from outer space, and bam! It's like some kind of crazy magic that creates these amazing lioness waves. But no, it's your regular diffuser. It comes inside the box. It pumps out really soft air that releases in a very controlled manner, and when people are sort of like, I don't ever use this, I don't even think I still have it, I probably threw it out. Well, get it out of the dustbin, people, and pop it back on. Come back in time with me. Give yourself that beautiful 80s fabulousness. It looks super natural. It looks almost like this is my natural texture, but my hair is quite straight. They look like you've just come fresh out of the beach. You've just come out of Sex in the City. You're looking like Sarah Jessica Parker, and you're ready to slay the day. How you want to use it is, it's like a little hand claw.
Take my hand! Come on!
With air that's coming outside of it. And so you want to just gently coerce your hair into that little cup, concentrating on your roots first, your mid-lengths, and then your ends. You can also scrunch dry with your hands. You want it to work with the diffuser and your hands as well. So you're both trying to mimic each other. So this is scrunching, this is heating, scrunching, heating, and so forth. And it's great because you can do other things at the same time. You can answer emails and text your friends. You can call your parents, eat snacks. It's great. Things that you'll need are mousse, hair oil, heat protection, a hairdryer, and a diffuser. I set mine to a high heat, low air setting. Let's do this. Starting with wet hair, straight out of the shower, towel dry, heat protection. Run that through to your ends. You want your hair to be damp but not dripping wet. Now you want to add your mousse. And you want to rub that all over your hair from roots to ends. Comb that through with your Tangle Teeser. Start scrunching your hair with your hands. This forms a curl. Now your hair is prepped to diffuse. Time to flip your head upside down. So once this is all complete, just check the roots. Make sure you feel like everything is 110% dry. You want it fully dry, because if it's not fully dry, it might have a tendency to drop and go a little bit flat. If you find your roots are still a little bit flat, you can just get your simple comb and tease it. Just a little bit of back combing, and don't be afraid of the volume. There you have it. So you've got some really nice textured curls that are really easy to wear. You can just throw your hair up, or you can pop a little cute little, you can pop a cute little clip on it as well. If you want to just sort of throw up the top section, just move it around and then just clip it in like so. You can tie it all the way up even if you wanted to. You can clip it like that. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more tutorials along these lines, don't forget to hit subscribe, give me a like, and I will see you next time. Bye!